Hello friends, good morning. I am Dr. Nikhila Bhagwat from SMRK BKAK Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Nasik, Maharashtra. I am the IQAC coordinator and also the convener of this week-long national level online faculty development program on the theme Multidisciplinary Approach to Quality Enhancement in Higher Education. The program is commencing today on 23rd May 2020 and it will go on till 29th May 2020. On behalf of my college and the organizing team, I welcome you all to this program, which is going to be a very enjoyable, interesting and unique learning experience for all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that we have had a very overwhelming response and around 300 participants from 10 different states of India have joined us for this program today. I once again extend a warm welcome to all of them. And as a convener, I am here to give you the details of this program. So let us get started. This program is organized by Gokhale Education Society's SMRK BKAK Mahila Mahavidyalayas Department of Physical Education and Khelrang FSSA Nasik in association with SNDT Women's University Mumbai from 23rd to 20th May 2020. Nowadays, the focus of higher education is on developing interconnections between different subject domains. The idea is to make learning a holistic experience. In the multidisciplinary approach, the boundaries of various disciplines merge into each other. And this is what is most needed in today's times. This multidisciplinary approach brings in diverse perspectives to illustrate a topic. And therefore, an issue is studied from the viewpoint of more than one discipline. This brings in variety to make a collaborative, cooperative, and coordinated effort possible. It facilitates growth of knowledge laterally. This week-long faculty development program touches upon various aspects that would help us enhance the quality of higher education and its teachers. The main objectives of this program are, firstly, to endorse multidisciplinary approach in higher education. Secondly, to promote understanding of quality enhancement in higher education. And thirdly, to facilitate performance improvement in teachers of higher education. The organizing committee comprises of the organizing director, Principal Dr. Mrs. Dipti Deshpande, who is the HR director of our parent body, the Gokhale Education Society, and she is also the IQAC chairperson of our college. The coordinator is Dr. Kavita Kholgade, who is the director of physical education and also secretary of Khelrang Nasik. The convener is Dr. Nikhila Bhagwat. Our principal and the organizing director of this week-long program, Dr. Mrs. Dipti Deshpande, is a dynamic leader who has always led us from the front. She is a meticulous planner, a perfect administrator. Truly speaking, our principal is a living example of a perfect woman. With pioneering spirits, positive willingness, coupled with hard work and perseverance, she has attained all her goals in personal and professional life. Principal Dr. Deshpande is a life member of more than 25 prestigious bodies in the fields of education, commerce, management. She has more than 120 publications to her credit in the form of books, textbooks, research papers, and edited magazines, volumes, and proceedings. She has received several prestigious awards at local as well as national and international level for her contribution to research, academics, girls' education, and for the humanitarian cause. Madam has been instrumental in the professional journey of our staff members and in the academic and all-round excellence of our students. I sincerely express my gratitude towards her for her initiative, timely guidance, and strong support in making this program a reality. Let us look at the program schedule now. On Saturday, 23rd May 2020, in the inaugural session, Principal and IQSC Chairperson of SMRK BKAK Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Dr. Mrs. Dipti Deshpande Madam, would welcome the participants. Then, general instructions about online FDP would be given to the participants. Just now, we are at this juncture of this program. In the first session of the first day, Dr. Kavita Kholgade, Director of Physical Education of SMRK BKAK Mahila Mahavidyalaya, will speak on mind power for higher performance. So we are going to start by learning to control our mind first. Dr. Kavita Kholgade is a member of School Games Federation of India and an authority on sports fitness and fitness training with more than 20 years of field experience. On Sunday, 24th May 2020, in the second session of the program, Dr. Lokesh Sharma, Head of the Department of Microbiology of RYK College of Science, Nasik, will enlighten the participants on the topic Research Methods Used in Social Sciences. Dr. Sharma is a veteran teacher of microbiology with more than 34 years teaching and 16 years research experience. He has guided several PhD and PG researches and is working as mentor and subject expert of DST, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. In the second part of the second session, you need to solve the self-assessed research aptitude test and gauge your own research ability. This test is designed by Dr. Nikhila Bhagwat. On Monday, 25th May 2020, in the third session of the program, Dr. Manoj Killedar, former Director and Associate Professor, School of Science and Technology, YCM Open University, Maharashtra, will introduce us to MOOC courses, the new learning platform. Dr. Manoj Killedar is an MTech in Electrical Engineering from IIT Mumbai. He has more than 33 years of academic and industrial experience. He has special skills and profound experience in guiding how to enhance education with technology. In the fourth session of the program, on Tuesday, 26th May 2020, Head of the Department of Library Science, University of Pune, Professor Dr. Rajendra Kumbhar will inform us about how to avail free digital resources for research. Dr. Kumbhar is into teaching for more than 30 years now and has published more than 70 articles in national and international journals and proceedings. He has delivered number of lectures on diverse topics related to library and information science in various universities. On Wednesday, 27th May 2020, in the fifth session of the program, Professor Dr. Vivek Bobde will guide us on how to obtain research grants. Dr. Bobde is a respected name in his field. He has completed his doctorate in bioorganic chemistry from IIT Mumbai. As a scientist, he has been into hardcore research for more than 2 decades now. He has conducted several breakthrough researches and been awarded with 5th Professor N.S. Narasimhan Endowment Prize and prestigious Best Teacher Award by Pune University. In the sixth session of the program, on Thursday, 28th May 2020, Dr. Shraddha Naik will inform us about the changing practices of physical activity for life from the perspective of physical literacy. Dr. Naik is the Director of Physical Education and Sports in SNDT Women's University, Mumbai. She is a young and dynamic lady in the field of fitness and physical training. She has successfully conducted sessions for numerous state and national level forums. I am sure she will add a new perception to our understanding of physical fitness. On the concluding day of this faculty development program, that is on Friday, 29th May 2020, there would be two sessions on the very current and most relevant topic, the COVID 2019 pandemic. Former principal and a very distinguished personality from Nasik, renowned economist Dr. Vinayak Govilkar will give his perspective about the economic challenges that we need to face post-COVID pandemic. Apart from being a member of the Planning Commission, Dr. Govilkar is also an eminent writer in English and Marathi, with an award of Best Book in Economics, with other 20 books, 15 booklets, 700 plus articles, and an encyclopedia type book of 1500 pages on economic concepts. We are very fortunate to have him on this panel. In the second presentation of the same topic, Dr. Jyoti Dubey, principal of Dr. MSG Institute of Nursing Education and Training, will inform us about the post-pandemic concerns of well-being and health. Principal Dr. Dubey has a PhD in nursing and also working as Inspector of Indian Nursing Council, New Delhi. She has conducted several researches on community health and is very active in spreading health awareness in two very important groups of the population, the adolescents and the senior citizens. Dear participants, on the last day, you all need to solve the COVID 2019 awareness test and get reminded about the important concerns related to this coronavirus pandemic. Now let us understand the important instructions. The mode of training of this program is Google Classroom. Every day at 11 o'clock in the morning, presentations on topics mentioned in program schedule will be uploaded. As participants, you need to critically listen to them anytime during the day. Every day we will also give you assignments based on the topics of the presentations. You need to submit these assignments at least 2 hours prior to the next day's session, that is before 9 o'clock in the next morning. Please note that all training material is copyrighted. No training material can be reproduced or further used for reference or circulation. It would be considered an act of plagiarism. It is mandatory to fill up the feedback form after the course is over. Certificates will be issued to the participants who have completed the week-long program and completed all the other necessary formalities. On behalf of the organizing team, I thank all the 300 plus participants for joining us from 10 different states of India. I wish you all every success. I sincerely hope that you enjoy every bit of learning while being with us in this week-long national level online faculty development program. Friends, stay safe and smiling. Thank you very much. Namaste.